Here I have HTC One M9 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap the settings icon, let's scroll down and under personal let's choose backup and reset. Here you have to choose the backup account right here, set up Google account. And if you have added some Google account, you can use them, of course. If not, let's choose and add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link or use an existing one. So in my case, let me use an existing one. Let's enter an email. Let's tap next right here. Now you have to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, let's choose next right here. Tab accept. The phone is checking info. Here you've got the Google services. For example, you can enable or disable automatically backup device data. Let me leave it enabled. Let's tap next. And that's it, you just enable backup my data feature and add necessary backup account. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.